In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find community-made templates and how to get them into your own workspace so you can start designing right away. First, open Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, look along the left-hand panel and click Community. This is Figma's built-in library, where designers share files, UI kits, wireframes, icon sets, and full product templates. It's a great place to jumpstart a project or learn how other designers structure their files. Inside Community, browse the featured sections or use the search bar to find what you need. Terms like mobile UI, dashboard, presentation, or design system usually return helpful results. You can also filter by resource type if you want only files, not plugins. As you look through options, take a moment to read the description and preview the pages and components. This helps you gauge whether the template matches your style and scope before you open it. When you've found a template you like, click it to open its detail page. Here, you'll see more screenshots, notes from the creator, and sometimes a short usage guide. If it looks right for your project, click Open in Figma. This action loads the file into your workspace so you can interact with it directly. If you land in a view-only state, look for a duplicate option to add an editable copy to your drafts. With the file open, you can now start editing. Begin by reviewing the Pages panel to understand how the template is organized. Common sections include cover, styles, components, and screens. Check the Assets panel to see reusable components and variants. If the template includes color, text, and effect styles, consider updating those first so the entire design reflects your brand without manual changes on every frame. Replace placeholder text and images with your own content. To keep edits consistent, use the Select Similar feature or update styles instead of adjusting each layer individually. When working with components, edit the main component to propagate changes across all instances. If you need different states, use variants rather than duplicating separate components. As you customize, rename layers, frames, and pages for clarity, and keep related screens grouped. Figma auto-saves your work, but it's good practice to add version notes when you reach milestones so you can roll back if needed. That's it. Open Figma, visit Community, pick a design, open it in Figma, and start editing. With templates, you can move from idea to polished design much faster while learning best practices along the way.